Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute. Alright, in this video we'll see how we can, basically uh, have an environment. Environment is nothing but a server, right? To work our labs on Docker, right? Alright, so for this, what you guys will do is I'll be sharing the link how to sign up for, you can sign up for any cloud. So this is basically Amazon Cloud, which is AWS, Amazon Web Services. You can create an account on AWS or Azure, which is from Microsoft, or GCP, anything, right? We just need servers to practice, that's it. Or simply on your local machine. So I'm just showcasing you how we create servers on the cloud wherein we can have our hands-on labs for Docker. All right, fine. So I'll share the link in the description where you can able to proceed with the link for how to sign up a account on Amazon Web Services Cloud, and I will also update how to do on Azure Cloud. Okay, it's your wish. You can create this on any of the cloud, right? I signed on AWS. All right, let's create a server. So here, go on search button, go with search with EC2. EC2 stands for Elastic Cloud Compute. You can create servers on the cloud which are virtual. Hope you guys are aware of what is a virtual machine now. So we will create virtual machines for our practice, right? All right, so click on instances here. So we do not have any running instances, so no instant matching instances found. So you click on launch instance. All right, and you can give a name. So I'm just giving a name as Docker, right? So you can give any name, right? And so pull down, so you can select any of the operating system you want, right? So most probably in the real corporate projects as well, so we work much on Linux based flavors, right? We have three flavors in most, not in most, we have only three flavors, right? Like, I mean, three different operating systems. So one is Microsoft Windows, other one is Linux. Linux have many flavors, even Microsoft have many versions, right? And we have Mac from Apple. All right, so I'm selecting Ubuntu, which is a popular operating system flavor from Linux. All right, so you can select and go with defaults, free tier eligible, which ensures that you are not built on the mission, right? Okay, so just pull down, leave everything else as default. So t2.micro is a free tier eligible instance type. So what is instance type? It showcases us with some details, right? So it is all about it's what is the capability, RAM capacity and CPU capacity, everything as such as highlighted here. So one CPU, so vCPU stands for virtual CPU. Because it's a virtual machine, we have vCPU. And why GIB? GIB is GB bytes. Okay, giga GB is different, GIB is different. GIB is more than GB. All right, so GB byte, which is GB byte memory, meaning 1 GIB memory we have. Memory is nothing but our RAM. All right, all right, just pull down everything else you can leave as is. All right, so let everything be defaulted to what are the values which are already there. Allow SSH traffic from, so what is this SSH? We'll see in the later videos. All right, so SSH is nothing but if you want to talk to a Linux server, you need a medium. That medium is SSH, secure shell. I'll come to all these basics later. All right, so now configure storage. So it is 8 GIB, which is given by AWS, so you can go with default. And here number of instances, we need one, that is enough, and nothing else. Click on launch instance. Okay, all right, so here click on proceed without key pair for now. So you don't know what is a key pair. These are all basically cloud concepts. I'll cover later. Launch instance. All right, yeah, see, successfully initiated a launch of instance. So click on this ID. So it will take you to the server details. All right, so you would be able to see instance. See, server instances are nothing but servers. So AWS named a section, as instances. That's it. All right. It is nothing but a server. All right. Okay. So this is our server which got created just now, but the status is initializing. It should be completed. So let's refresh here. Let's see whether it is completed or not, because until then we cannot talk to the server, right? Let it be completed, then we can talk to the server. All right, fine. See, the state is instant status running. So if you want to stop it, so just have check in here, go to instant state, and you can click on stop. It is already running, right? So the start instance is disabled. You can reboot, nothing but restarting, right? So hibernate, it is defaulted for now. Sorry, disabled for now. You know the reason, right? It is not even started, right? And terminate. Terminate is nothing but permanent deletion. All right. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So click on refresh. Let's see. It is still initializing. So you can select here for the details. I think it should be available for us to connect. So select here. Click on connect. Okay, and just pull down and click on, don't change anything, right? Click on connect. Okay, it takes us to the connection page. So on the browser itself it will connect to the server. Okay, perfect, it is connected. All right, so this is our Docker server. Fine, give a command like clear. This is a Linux command to clear the console. See, it will clear. All right, now see, we have two values. What are this? The first one is a username @ the second one is a server name. All right, so username is Ubuntu and server name is so and so. All right, you can change the server name. Let me show you how to change it. All right, so this is just for your information. It's up to you whether you change or not. So we have so before that, log into the root user. So root, what is who is a root user? A root user is nothing but root, this one. All right, root user, it is a administrator ID on Linux based operating systems. Okay, on Windows, if you see many programs, right, we can able to say run as administrator. In the same way here, root user is the ID which basically have all the permissions. So how to log into the root user? sudo su is the command, right? sudo stands for a super user do, right? Su stands for switch user. Just click on enter. See, now if you see, it have taken you to root user. So before it was Ubuntu. All right, these are all these IDs are pre-created. All right, @ this is server name. So now here, if you do, there is a command called as cat Linux command, which prints whatever is there inside a file without entering to that particular file. Okay, so etc host name. So etc is a directory. Directory is nothing but a folder in Linux, and host name is nothing but a file which have the server name. So this is the server name. That is where we have, this is something like, see, IP is on. So you can put anything. All right, fine. So all right, if you want to change, you can change here. We'll see in the later videos. Okay, fine guys, thank you so much. So our environment, our server is ready. We'll see how to install Docker in the later video. Yeah, thank you.